I'm Wei Ling. Today's topic is how to find the right Mandarin tutor. Timeliness. The first step to finding the right Mandarin tutor isn't going to Google. Actually, it's quite opposite. Instead of reaching out to ask others' opinion, you should go back to your center and ask yourself this question. Does the reason for you to have a tutor with tidiness? If your reason to have a Mandarin tutor is with tidiness, 99% chance you need a tutor. For example, work. If your current job is Mandarin related, like your boss is Taiwanese, your client is Chinese, you need to communicate with them in Mandarin every day, then yes, you need a Mandarin tutor and you should focus on speaking practice specifically. Just imagine if you can have a better conversation with your boss client, they will trust you more. If they have some inside opportunities, they would happily pass to you. You are helping your career indeed. And family is another example, which is with tidiness. And I would strongly recommend you to have a tutor, no matter that family is your significant other, your mother-in-law, or your in-laws. Why? Because the clock is ticking. You don't know when they will leave you. My grandma passed away in 2019. She didn't speak Mandarin very well. I didn't speak my mother language Hakka either. I feel a little bit regret now that I didn't learn Hakka so we could have a better conversation. Learn from my experience. I don't want you to regret in the future, so take tutoring classes for your family. On the other hand, if you learn Mandarin because you like it, it's your hobby, maybe you don't need a tutor. Without a strong desire, you don't feel having a tutor is urgent. Even now you are having a tutor, chances are it probably won't last a long time. Of course, I cannot cover all the situations in this video. Ask yourself, does the reason with tidiness just a very simple step to rethink? Do you need a tutor or not? Now you find your tidiness reason. Decide to have a Mandarin tutor. What's next? In the next episode, I'm going to share how to find the right Mandarin tutor -- what to practice. Final, a question for you. The rest of life, you want to continue learning Mandarin slowly on social media, or you want to improve your Mandarin speaking skills faster and then use it to achieve your dream. To save your time, money, and makes you more money, Wei Ling Mandarin one-on-one online speaking practice tutoring class is available right now. Free trial class is linked down below. Also, subscribe to my free newsletter. You will get the how to empower yourself to speak Mandarin tip immediately and others weekly. This link is down below as well. I'm Wei Ling. See you in the class.